Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kungfu Inu token. Ticker symbol is Kungfu. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It was up like 400 and something percent earlier. Right now it's up 241.6%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, like I said, just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Kungfu Space Inu is the name of the token. Kungfu is the ticker symbol. Right now it's up 233%. But there is a big warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page. And it says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution while trading and always do your own research. So that doesn't always mean like 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has a big possibility to be a scam when they could alter the smart contract, change tax rates, do all that type of stuff. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before trading this token. So it says Kungfu Inu is a new and exciting meme token that has been recently developed by a community of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. This community-driven token is based on the Binance Smart Chain. Kungfu Inu has been designed with a unique brand and community-driven approach that has generated a lot of interest among investors. Kungfu Inu has a deflationary mechanism, which means that a portion of the tokens will be burned on every transaction. This creates a sense of scarcity that can drive up the demand and ultimately increase the value of the token. One of the most unique aspects of Kungfu Inu is its community-driven approach. Kungfu Inu was created by a group of individuals who are passionate about crypto and want to create a fun and engaging platform for others to invest in. The community is actively involved in the development of the project, with regular updates and discussions taking place on social media and other online forums. Kungfu Inu also has plans to introduce staking and a dashboard for its users. Through staking, users can earn rewards for holding their tokens for a certain period of time. This incentivizes users to hold on to their tokens for longer periods, which can help to stabilize the price of the token. The dashboard will allow users to easily monitor their investments and track their earnings from staking and other activities. Kungfu Inu is also a deflationary token. A portion of the tokens are burned on each transaction. This creates a sense of scarcity. They're kind of repeating themselves here. Okay, to promote the token, build the community engagement. The community has an approach to help build a strong following. The developers are actively involved in the community and regularly interact with users and social media and other online forums. This helps build credibility and attract new investors to the platform. Okay, we get the idea. It's a meme token. They're all about community. Now, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. If you did want to buy this token, all you have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Kungfu Inu token using the contract address that you could find on their CoinMarketCap listing. You can find it on their BSC scan or their webpage, kungfuinu.io. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that in a second. So they're going to have the token, Web3, gaming, NFTs, their own decentralized exchange, and more. They also have an Optimus bot you can click on. They have a full white paper on their webpage. It's obviously community powered. We already went over that. Safe and secure, 100% transparency. It's got a marketing wallet, funding wallet, burn times. Everything is transparent. Tokenomics. So there is a 12% buy and sell tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 12%. That's somewhat of a high tax, but 5% of that tax is reflections. So you do get Kungfu Inu rewards sent back to your wallet. Then we have 5% going to marketing and 2% to liquidity. So that is the tax there. It's not a bad tax. Total supply of this token is a million, billion, trillion, 100 quadrillion tokens. So they do have an audit you can check out. Looks like a GitHub link on their webpage. And they have a smart contract audit as well. That just looks like their BSC scan though. On their BSC scan, it says so far they have 1,060 holders. So they just reached past 1,000 holders. 3,828 transfers and 9 decimal places on this token. Now, if you want to find their white paper, it is at kungfu-inu.gitbook.io/docs. Over there, you can find team information. So it's a team of more than 10 members, it says, with more than 4 years experience in each field of the making meme coins. Last projected 15 times, and they want to conquer 1,000 times for this token. We'll see what happens. But yeah, they're actually doing very well today. But again, be aware of that warning there that's on CoinMarketCap. Can be very sketchy. So 19.5% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 70.8% of the tokens get burned, and 10.2% of the tokens go to liquidity. Now there is a roadmap starting with the website, community building, pre-sale on PinkSale, launch on PancakeSwap, update logo, DEX tools, white paper, marketing, DEX listing, CoinMarketCap, phase 2 of marketing, trending campaign, influencer marketing, ambassador campaign, CoinGecko, staking, and new white paper. So this is very much a meme token with meme utility like staking. And do they have NFTs? Maybe some NFTs coming in the future. But yeah, not much utility. Very much a meme token. It is meme season though, so that's to be expected. And this token's doing very well, but just be aware of that big warning on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.